Good morning, students. One important question. Explain the elasticity along a linear demand curve. Meaning, elasticity along a linear demand curve means the responsiveness of quantity demanded to changes in price, which is represented by a straight line demand curve. In this one meaning, responsiveness of quantity demand due to change in the prices, whatever any change in price, that can be more impact on quantity demand in the market. Calculate the price elasticity of demand on a linear demand curve. If you observe the formula, lower segment divided by upper segment, that means change in demand divided by change in price. If you observe the diagram, ed is equals to infinity. ed is greater than 1. ed is equals to 1. ed is less than 1. ed is equals to 0. So perfectly elastic demand, perfectly inelastic demand, unitary elastic demand. If you observation, once again repeat that one. Less elastic, perfectly inelastic. Perfectly inelastic is nothing but a 0. ed is equals to infinity. That one point indicates infinity is perfectly elastic. ed is greater than 1, more elastic demand. ed is equals to 1, unitary elastic demand. ed is less than 1, less elastic demand. ed is equals to 0, perfectly inelastic demand. So this is the linear demand curve. In the entire linear demand curve, all the elasticities must be existence. So this is the 4 centimeter in our example. So this is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Okay, students. So this is lower segment. So this one upper segment. Then calculation. Point C. If you observe A, B, C, D. Point C. Point C, PD, CE, CE. Lower segment 2 divided upper segment 2. 2. 2, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. Then point B indicates lower segment, lower segment 3 centimeter, 3. Upper segment 1. 3 divided by 1, 3. Then point D. Observe the D. Lower segment 1, upper segment 3. Lower segment 1, upper segment 3. I think on our example, total positive negative slope is a 4 centimeter. Then in point E, point E, lower segment 0, upper segment 4. 0 divided by 4, 0. ED is equals to 0. Next point A. In point A, observe in point A, lower segment 4, upper segment 0. ED is equals to 0. Perfectly inelastic. Once again, if you observe the diagram, lower segment, upper segment, A point ED is equals to infinity, perfectly elastic demand. ED is greater than 1, more elastic demand. ED is equals to 1, unit elastic demand. ED is less than 1, elasticity is less than, less elastic demand. ED is 0, perfectly inelastic demand. Okay, students.